Without further ado, let me welcome all the way from Kingston, Jamaica. Ladies in the draw close and make some noise for my brethren, my brother. He is a big deal. Make some noise for Chris Martin.
Martin, that's it. Big up to everybody that's in the place right now. Big up to all the happy now. I want a massive sing with me right now. VIP, Team Bickle, we are VIP. 876, we are VIP. Jamaican, sing it with me. We are big. Well, okay, so we are big. So listen to me now. When we're very important for real. I wanna see the flags and we're a big. Well, okay, yes, Jamaican big. And Team Bickle is very, very, very important. 30 years high. Come on, listen up. This had nothing to do with the money or fame or vanity. This one is all about self-worth. So big up your kids and some proud. I don't matter about nobody, no man no more than no man from this. And so whether you walk or you a drive, and it don't matter if you white or black like. So me say from your feel good in yourself. Everybody push up on the phone and tell all the haters we are big. Yes, you know, say you know we are big. Penn Relays tonight, you know we very big. Team Bickle, so in for real. Jamaica, you know we are big. Big up all of the schools, now we are big. 30 years Team Bickle very him. You know them big, guess what? How want you sing it now? It's like you have the Prime Minister, Lord. And then you have away. Yeah, that's how the order in a pretty country. And yeah, that's how the status and the hierarchy. Ask anybody but I'm the same for my points, so I the great, the rich. And we never cheat and copy to get it. You know you have your dreams and nobody can. I want everybody in the stand sing it and say I'm a big. Well, okay, me and my friends, I'm a ease up. Here you are, my beautiful ladies, make some noise, please. Big up to all the ladies. I'm a girl bougie, she's so nice. I'm a logo, she no pussy, she just living her life. She tell me that she wants to go to country tonight. When I see her grandpa, she wants to go for her life. The next day we go by El Shah, but it's stringy. We had a food and then we see her and I easy. She hear the music, I fling her shoulder. To worship on your mother, she says she a boy when you are far with me. A good time is guaranteed. Pick up your bike and get it. It's up! I don't know what time we have a one sing a few songs. Can't see how the reggae lovers put out to the air right now. Everybody that believes in love. We have love, we have Jamaica, we have. Hey girl, you love them for true. But certain things in life you say you want to do. Now listen, now you're somebody to understand that you are made for money, man. But if you can't love me now, how in my later is much. You listen up, it only prove that you love. I wanna hear everybody sing again and I say if you can't love me now. How in my later is much greater. I mean no one, no person. Now listen to me, girl, do you love me or do you love him? Who introduce you to kissing and hugging, a gentle rubbing, a sexy touching, and make the girl and make you the proper. And me say, oh, only thing is that him rich on me, and it shouldn't be because I'm only make a switch from me. Get me girl, nobody come back. I wanna hear everybody sing it one more time. I say if you can't love me now. Next in line, my name. Simatia. Big up Team Bickle one more time. 30 years doing it big. Supporting. Not first, not last. You see the pretty girl now. Can't see the blacks and waving. We love reggae music. I want you to sing. I sing, oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my. Pull up on me. Reggae music inside of Penn Relays. This is the first time it's happening, right? And it's a yardie I do it, and I love that. Make some noise for Jamaica. Alright, we don't sing it now. It's not first, not last. Big up my little VP Records. We're doing it big at all times, you know what I mean? I wanna hear the reggae lover sing it with me, Tonya. And I sing, oh never cheat the town. But Lord, it will not stop me. I want everybody sing now. Don't let me get. I can't hear you. Sing it a little louder. You sound good, but I hope you don't get easy. Now listen up. I see a lot of wonderful women inside of this party. And listen, if it wasn't for you, we would not be here. So big up to all the mothers who are in this party right now. You understand me? I say, ready? Where would I be? Now where would I? You love your mama, say mama. Let me see the ones waiting for mama. Who make me love you, there's nothing I put up with. No host, no girl, no cat. You stand firm and I'm like nobody. Come from a barn, me and you are par. I am a princess, I am a nun. Lady, I'm a life, a girl, I'm to understand. Special dedication to the big. Now everybody from your love, your mama push up on the wall. I must stand for your mama. Selector, you better pull up the one. Selector, you better pull up the one for your mama, yeah. And squeeze again for mama. I wanna see the flags waving. I wanna see the hands waving for mama tonight. In all the Penn Relays. Big up to Team Bickle, I cannot say that enough. Now listen, good moment, me love you, there's nothing I put above it. No, it's not a girl, not a. You stand firm and I'm a life, no budget. Down from a bar, and I mean, you a bar. Mommy, I'm a princess, yeah, I'm a done. Lady, I'm a life, a girl, I'm for understand. Special dedication to the big. Now everybody understand. Push up on the one. I must have done for your mom. Light up for your mom. Selector, you better pull up that one of you. They say you're proud of your mom. Sing love for your mom. And make them ask know you appreciate your mom. Yeah. Someone's gonna sing this one. Now from love your mom like this man. No one like my mom. Easy. Make some noise, Penn Relays. Now listen, we would not be here was not for the man up above, you understand? So I could not come here and just sing these songs and leave it like that. So I give thanks that I'm here. I give thanks for my life, I give thanks for your life and your existence. So in all honesty, everybody that believes in the Almighty, can I see the flags up? See the hands up. Bless up to Team Bickle for all they've been doing years. That's an easy thing, I applaud them for that. So if you believe tonight, I love you, Lord. For your mercy never fails me. See all my days, see I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, you know I will sing of the goodness of God. Now if you believe, all my life you have been. You're stadium singing. All my life you have been so. Every breath that I make, I will sing of the good. We can't party. Come on. You know I love your voice. Lord, you have led me through the fire. Many darkest nights, yes. Now you are close like no other. You know I've known you as a father. You know I've known you as a friend. And yes, I have lived in the goodness. I want everybody to sing. Everybody say, for all my life you have been good. You sound so good. You sound so good. All my life you have been so good to me, Lord. With every breath that I am able, you know I am. Team Bickle, Team Jamaica, I love you so much. Thank you so much. Blessings, you hear that? Enough respect. Bless up.
Make some noise for my family.